Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. In this video, we will show you how to easily set up and install the CP Plus EasyCam Wi-Fi smart camera in just few minutes. So whether you are a beginner or techie, this guide is for you. So let's get started. So first off, connect this camera to a power socket using this adapter that is provided. Yes, I have connected. Now you can see it will start.
Camera is starting now. Please wait. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
It have started rotating. This means it's ready for pairing. If you doesn't hear a voice prompt, then reset using the reset button. Here it has a reset button. You just hold this reset button for 5 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. Now the second step is download the EasyCam app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can also scan this QR code for downloading the app. Here you can see the app, download it. And one thing, make sure you are connecting to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. It can't connect to 5 GHz network. Okay, now it is downloaded. Now open this app. Here you have to sign up and register. Select your country name and your email ID. Enter the verification code. They will send a verification code on your provided email ID. Just go and check it out, the verification code, and paste it here. Yeah, I have entered the code. Now is to set a password. Now tap on done. Yes, I have registered, and just go to allow it and go to app. Here you can see the plus icon. Just click on this, continue. Select your Wi-Fi camera model. Here you can see CPE29A. So next is reset the device. Power the device and make sure the indicator is flashly quickly or a prompt tone is heard. The prompt tone is heard. Now next step. Now enter your Wi-Fi password. After entering the password, tap on next. So if you are using 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it will show like this. Because my Wi-Fi is like 5 GHz, so it is showing like this. So you have to change your Wi-Fi network to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So here I have switched to the another Wi-Fi network. Now add the password. Now it will provided a QR code. You can see here. Now hold your front screen in front of the camera at least 15 to 20 centimeter away until it says a audio prompt for confirmation. Yes, you can see it is prompted. It is connected successfully. Now click on I heard a prompt. You can see added successfully. Now done. You can see guys my camera. Now you can see guys, finally my camera is activated. Here is my mobile. Now you can easily access your camera footages anywhere, anytime. Here you can see I am rotating the camera. We can adjust the clarity also, and here you can see we can also adjust SD or HD clarity. So great, this camera is now online and ready to use. From the app you can view live footage, rotate this camera with 360 degree. Your CPE29A EasyCam Plus camera is fully set up and protecting your space. Super simple, right? So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel or more tech tips and gadget guides. So got any questions, drop them in the comments. I will help you out. Thanks for watching.